Now that you've removed all dust, soot, and debris on your fireplace, you can now start with the deep cleaning. Check our YouTube video, How to Clean Your Fireplace, about basic cleaning. Step 1. You can use a warm water, bleach and Trisodium Phosphate (TSP) solution to deep clean your fireplace walls and floor. Mix 6 tablespoons of TSP, 1 cup of bleach and 1 gallon of warm water into a plastic bucket. Step 2. Wearing rubber gloves, dip your nylon brush into the bucket, and then use the solution to scrub the walls and floor of your fireplace until they're clean. Old fireplaces may contain stains you can't remove. Step 3. Rinse the floor and walls with clean water and towel dry. Step 4. Replace your grate and andirons. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified of our latest videos.